Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video. So you can understand it in a better way friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you can understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18, 24, 86, there is quite possibility that you may get confused friends, okay? And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do read the comment and give answer to you all the comments, friends. And you can do one thing. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJW 1906. Okay, so in our last video I've covered the topic called why we are born. Does the same why when we are born does the same natural progression apply? Do we start off as spirit being, then become astral being, and finally become human being? So this was our last topic, and in today's topic I'm going to cover the concept called why do soul choose to stay in astral form. So this is the topic which I'm going to cover today. And friends, let me tell you, this video is video number 127th video. Okay friends, and the topic is why do soul choose to stay in the astral form. Let's see what's the answer given by Vipsi and Ratu via Khorshid Bhavnagri. There are two attached to the they are two attached to the physical body. So one of the reason why spirit why the soul choose to stay in the astral form is that they are too much attached with the physical body, with the physical needs, with the physical whatever they have experience in this earth. So after leaving this world also they are very much attached with all those feelings, and they do not want to get rid of those feelings. So they are this much attached with their physical body that they choose to stay in the astral form, right friends? They want to protect a loved one on earth and wrongly believe that by occupying the same physical space they can help. So a soul have one more negative feeling, right? A negative and misconception that they want to protect their loved one. For example, if a soul used to love anybody and he have left the body, and if he or she is now in astral form, he and she believe that if I am in astral form, I would be able to protect my loved ones. So this is completely a wrong misconception which a soul has, right? And by having this wrong misconception, by occupying the earthly space, the soul choose to stay in the astral form, friends, and refuses to convert into a spirit being and stay into astral form. Let's see. Then the next reason is the subconscious mind tell them they will have to go to the lower spiritual realm, and they refuse to do so because they do not want to suffer. So this is one of the very important reason. Those soul who always commit crime in their life, those who have committed many sin in their life, their subconscious mind tell us that you have committed very much sin in your life, right? Now you have to go to a lower realm, and a soul refuses to go to a lower realm for the suffering because they know what the suffering is going to happen when a soul is going to go to the lower realm. To avoid this suffering, soul refuses to go to the lower realm, friends. Okay, they can make this choice because they have free will. However, when a soul chooses to stay in astral form, he continues to fall and build negative karma because he is going against the advice of the subconscious mind and he is breaking a spiritual law. So, a soul can stay in astral form because he or she have his or her free will. So, he or she have the right to decide whether he want to go to the spirit world or to stay in the astral form. So but staying in the astral form, he or she is developing a more and more negative karma which leads to more and more into lower realm, which is very dangerous. And it is advised because he or she is not following the god law. God have said when you leave your body, first you will go in astral being, then immediately you have to get converted into a spirit being. But when you refuse the order of your subconscious mind, then what you do, you are breaking the god laws, right? So this is a very negative thing. He is not following the natural progression from human to astral to spirit being, and also he or she is not following the natural progression from human being to astral being to spirit being, which is the natural progression this each and every soul should follow. Now see what is the next reason why soul after death choose to be stay in astral form. If they are negative soul, they will want to stay back in astral form and harm human being on earth. So this is also a reason where if he or she is a negative soul, so he or she want to harm the human being, right? Those who are staying on the earth by staying in the astral form, which we referred as a ghost, right? They frighten other human being, they harm other human being, which is very wrong. Once again, the astral soul will fall spiritually and build negative karma. So here also astral soul is going to fall spiritually and going to build negative karma. So it is advised to each and every astral soul, as soon as he or she leaves the body after getting converted into astral being, he or she should immediately get converted into spirit being and go to his or her respective realm. Let's see what is the next reason why a soul choose to stay in astral form. On earth, they had certain addiction such as drugs or alcohol, and they want to experience that sensation over and over again by attaching themselves to human who are addict. So here is one more reason why the soul choose to stay in the astral form. The reason is some of the soul, those who were in the earth during the journey, they were too much addicted to the alcohol or drugs or any different kind of addiction. So once they leave the body, they cannot leave this addiction. They feel that yes, so what happened, I left the body, I want to experience that pleasure apart from leaving the body. So what they do is that they get connected to the human who are addicted, and after connecting to the human who are addicted, they believe that they can fulfill their wishes by and fulfill their addiction by getting to human who are addict. So this is the one more reason why spirit, so why astral people choose to stay on the astral form. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the topic called why do soul choose to stay in the astral form. Okay? And in our next video, I am going to cover the topic called how can you make your own physical mind cooperate with the subconscious mind. So this is going to be the next topic which I am going to cover, friends. So friends, this topic came to an end, and as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a quite possibility that you will be understanding it in a better way. Apart from seeing 8 video, 18 video, 24th video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Right, friends? And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, and you can also connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. Okay, so this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay blessed, friends, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.